This is Andrew here with Tower Electric Bikes, and today I'm going to be walking through how to install new pedals on your Tower Electric bike. In front of me I have a Beach Babe with some pretty beat pedals here, and I'm going to show you how to install some new ones. So tools you'll need, I have a pedal wrench here. Realistically, a pedal wrench is a 15mm wrench, but what makes it handy is it's really skinny here and has a long lever arm. So these come in a lot of different sizes. This is definitely a heavier duty, sort of professional grade one. They do make smaller ones that are a little less expensive. And also in a pinch, you can also always just use a 15mm wrench if you do have one. Now they are a little fatter, and they, depending on the size, may not fit in this, this space here, but 15mm would be all that you need. And then of course I have my fresh pedals here. So without further ado, we will get to it. So to remove the old pedals, that's your first job. And to remove them, the right side is basically threaded, just normal. Clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to remove. But the left side is reverse threaded, so everything is opposite. Now, what I have always done in my time in the bike shop industry is, the easy way to remember it is you pedal forward to take the pedals off, and you pedal backwards to put the pedals on. Really easy to remember. You never have to worry about the sides. As long as you match up left pedal to left side, right pedal to right side, you will always be good to go. So I will remove these pedals first of all. So again, pedal forward, and there you go. All there is to it, and you can see the pedal is starting to unthread. And there we are. Pedal has been removed. Now we will head over to the right side, or sorry, the left side. I just did the right side. And you notice there's two flat sides on the pedal spindle. That is where you would slot your tool. And there we go. Now, depending on how much you've been riding and how old the pedals are, they might be a little stiff. Trying to get them off. Just use some muscle, and as long as you're going in the right way, they will eventually come off. If it's exceptionally rusty, you may want to spray some like rust off or rust break or something like that. All right, so old pedals are removed. Time to install the new pedals. Now, if you are purchasing just the same Tower pedals that came on your bike, really easy to remember. One side has a giant R sticker, one side has a giant L sticker, right and left. One of the other things as well is if you just kind of open them without looking, they are stamped right here with a little R, and the other one obviously has a little L. So I always like to finger tighten to start off. So I just hold it in place and then pedal backwards. Pedal backwards. And I usually continue to do this till I get right up against it, and boom. So it's right up against it. It'll stand to be tighter, but I will tighten both of them at the very end with my pedal wrench. Time for the left side. Again, left side has an L stamped right onto the spindle. And again, just hold the pedal in place, pedal backwards, and it will start to thread in for you. All right, so now that they are both finger tight, I'm going to finish them both off with the handy dandy pedal wrench. All right, and you want to make sure you get these pedals on there tight. If you are running a bike with loose pedals, what will happen is over time they will gradually start to unthread, and then they'll actually start to wiggle around inside the crank arm while you ride. If you let it go for too long, what will happen is it'll actually bore out this hole, and then no pedal will thread in there because it's all worn out. So always make sure you get these nice and tight on there. And there you are, fresh, brand new pedals installed and ready to jam. Thanks for joining.